If you're looking for die-hard sweater ideas, here's a collection you've got to see. Amazon Christmas Store, Die-Hard Christmas Sweater Ideas. Number 1, by TeeStars. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by Pop Threads. Number 3, by TeeStars. More ugly sweaters now available online, just click this circle and get yours. Number 4. Number 5. Find these die-hard sweater ideas at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Funny Threads Outlet. Number 7, by Sweet Teas. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Dress Down. Number 9, by TeeStars. Discover more die-hard sweater ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.